There are different options to run a business in Italy. You can set up your VAT number, as known as partita IVA, as a sole proprietorship or a freelancer, as a partnership or as a limited company, very similar to a LLC UK or United States. The main difference is about tax liability, number of partners, and tax regime. Actually, there are few benefits just for freelancers or sole proprietorships for brand new business owners in Italy. You could potentially pay just 5% of the gross for the first 5 years, or pay the regular tax rate on 10 or 30% of your gross. Basically, it depends on your revenue limit, more or less 65,000 per year. All these benefits can be applied only if you become resident and you start a business in Italy as individual. So, getting a partita IVA is the first step. The new regime provides that under certain conditions, just 30 or 10% of the employment or self-employment income sourced in Italy by individuals who transfer their tax residence here is taxable. As a consequence, the maximum tax rate for personal income tax can be lowered to 4%. The regime stands for 5 tax years, but under certain conditions can be extended up to 10. The facility is lost if the beneficiary fails to maintain an Italian residence for at least 2 initial years or does not perform a substantial activity in Italy. The exemption is directly operated by the employer that will apply income tax on the reduced taxable basis, or it can be required on the tax filing. So, an election to the employer is required, or an election can be made in individual tax return by the end of November of the following tax year.